I'm going to show you how to instantly turn any image or element into black and white using Canva's newest feature, and this is perfect if you're creating coloring books, activity pages, or printable designs. If you're still manually adjusting colors in 2026, you're wasting time and missing out on easier and faster results. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. What you want to do first is head over to your Canva account and on the left side panel, click on Create. From there, choose any canvas size you want to work with. Once your blank canvas opens, go to Elements on the left panel and add any element or photo you want to use. After placing it on the canvas, select the element and click on Edit from the floating toolbar. When the Edit panel opens, scroll down until you see Style Match. This is Canva's newest feature, and it works incredibly well for transforming designs. If you watched our last video about copy style, this works in a very similar way, but it gives you more control. What you want to do next is click See All to view every available style option. Then look for the one called Doodle and select it. Once you click it, Canva will automatically turn your image into a clean black and white outline. No manual adjustments, no playing with brightness or contrast. It instantly transforms your subject into something perfect for coloring books, worksheets, or scrapbooks. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Now you know how to turn any image into a black and white design using Canva in just a few clicks. If you want more videos showing Canva shortcuts, hidden features, and easy ways to create digital products faster, hit like and don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.